So guys, on the basis of today's lecture or analysis of the two chapters, the fun we had, chapter number 1 and chapter 3 under poem segment, Rain on the Roof by Coates Kinney. I'm going to give you 3 questions. Note down the questions. What is the author's imagination about the teaching methodology during 2157 or 22nd century? Question 2. Why Margie becomes nostalgic at the end of the story? Why Margie becomes nostalgic at the end of the story? And third question is elucidate, E-L-U-C-I-D-A-T-E. That means you have to describe in detail. Elucidate the last stanza of the poem Rain on the Roof by Coates Kinney. So guys, once again I am telling you, I have already just now I have told you about that weather has an impact on human psychology or mental state, and often it happens that beautiful weather, you have come to visit a landscape but all alone, and you have come here for the second time, a countryside landscape for the second time, but this time you have come alone, and previous time you came with your mother, or you visited the same place with your parents, or same place with your friends, with your companions. But this time, if you have come alone, there is nobody to give you company, or you are not accompanied by anybody, maybe due to some reasons they could not accompany you. So this time once again the same place you have come, you have visited. Definitely you will miss them. Definitely all those days, the previous visit, some incidents, some memories, those will appear before your eyes. That time you will immensely miss them. And the same case happens with rainy season also, during monsoon also, or if it is not monsoon, sudden shower you will face. It is heavy rain, it is going on outside, and you are inside a room, nobody is there, you are all alone, you become nostalgic. A psychological impact is visible. At the same time, you are going to miss someone. It happens, guys, it happens, and it has already happened with you, and if has not happened with you in future, it will happen with you definitely. That is why this poem, especially Rain on the Roof, rain, the poet has emphasized the tinkling sound of the rain, the pitter-patter sound of the rain. He has highlighted the sound of the rain, and he has compared the raindrops as the tears. When we do weep? When we do weep? When we are filled with despair or agony or grief, that time we do cry, we do weep. The same thing the poet wants to convey to the readers, that during rainy season, at this very moment, I am also missing my family, my childhood days, especially my mother, who is no more in this world. And in the last stanza, the poet has already revealed his feelings. Trivial phenomena he has mentioned to emphasize the dignity and the depth of the poem. So this much for the day, students. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.